Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be installing hood latches on Gold Rush.
Yeah, we did a video about installing hood latches on my Extreme Recon. I'll put the link here somewhere. And these are different. So,
Yeah, different design. Got them powder coated the same 392 gold to match everything else that's been going on Gold Rush. So we're gonna toss them on there.
let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, so step one, we're gonna remove the old hood latches. 10 millimeter socket up top. That'll be a fun rattle to get that out somehow. All right, then down here, it's gonna be a 13 millimeter. All right, so back to the hood, we're gonna install the new one. All right, so on the bottom, it's single bolt, goes right in. Now, there are two tabs over here, and you'll see the two holes that they line up with. That's what stops it from moving around. And then it's a 13 millimeter nut on the other side. And this is where you don't want to drop it inside. And it's probably the hardest part of this entire install. All right, so I actually cannot get my fingers in there. So what I'm gonna do is take a wrench, put some duct tape on it on the back, put the knife in there, because I really don't feel like trying to fish this out of there after I drop it. All right, from here, we have this bar, goes in here, and then you use the supplied screws, which we actually painted black, which I think I'm gonna repaint because it's not sticking very well through installation. Let's test this side out. It looks like I just need to adjust it. So when you're here, it is a little tight. So I am going to move this side down just a little bit. Test it one more time. Looks perfect. Just gonna go do the same thing on the other side. We'll be right back. And they're in. Quick little install today, nothing major, just a little bit of cosmetic update.
Yeah, I had to adjust it a little bit to get the tension just right. Other than that, not that difficult. Hardest thing is just making sure you're not dropping bolts and nuts into the hood like someone.
I might have a little bit of a rattle there until it falls out. But yeah, I've probably mentioned in the past that I'm kind of allergic to the Jeep plastic that they use. So a lot of this is just me trying to replace it. I've gotten rid of the fenders and now these, and even the bumper had to go for me because I don't like the plastic on it. And that'll probably keep going with things like mirrors and door handles and stuff like that.
Yeah, follow us along as we make more mods to the 392, getting all the Jeep plastic off.
Yep.
So what's left?
Got to duck it. On to the
Until
next one.